So can we have the roadmap again? Yan. Itong roadmap na to, actually, saan to nanggaling? Nanggaling to sa aking experience. Sa experience ko in starting more than 20 businesses, and more than 20 of them failed. Ang nagsucceed lang mga 5 or 6, but the others failed. So nakita ko na talagang eto pala yung mga steps sa pag-umpisa ng business. Hindi lang sa sarili kong experience, kundi pati sa aking mga mentees. As you know, I've been doing this for more than 7 years already, talking to more than 1,000 people. And this is what I have found out. Pare-pareho yung aming experience, and I summarize this in this roadmap. All right? So, in this roadmap, you will see that capital is yung nasa green. 1, 2, 3. Pangatlong step bago tayo mag-start. So, ang pagkakamali ng karamihan is iniisip nila kaagad yung capital and napaparalyze sila. They get paralyzed because they are worrying about the capital. Did you see that the first question said, what's the best business for me? Kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung business mo, then why worry about the capital? Because the business that you will start will determine kung gaanong capital ang kailangan mo. So without knowing what business is, why do you think even of capital?